Do you know welding? If you want to try welding, the most easy thing to do is just get a machine and start practicing. But when you see so many different welding methods, do you know which one is the best for you? Today I will show you the differences between them. First is the three most common welding methods are MMA, MIG, and TIG. First is MIG welding, which I think is the best choice for beginners. Why? Because it's easiest to use. You don't need to worry about the rod stick on the metal, and you don't need to feed the filler rod by hand, and you don't need to keep changing the electrode. It feels easy, simple, and smooth. Of course, it has some disadvantages. Loading wires may be annoying, and it's not very suitable for very precise welding jobs. But overall, it's still one of the most easiest method, but it's still one of the most easiest method for beginners. Next is MMA, which also called stick welding. This is one of the most common welding methods because it's portable, works well in tough environments, and makes strong welds. You can weld almost anywhere without worrying about the conditions, okay? But also, it has some downsides, like you need to change the electrode often, and it takes more skills to control. If you can handle all those things, MMA is reliable and powerful. Finally, we have TIG. We have TIG welding. This is the most advanced method. TIG is harder because you need to fill the rod by hand and carefully control the distance between the tungsten and the metal. Usually, people learn TIG after they already have some welding experience. But once you master TIG, you can do professional quality work. Like you can repair cars, build custom metal projects, and even you can make beautiful gates and decorations. Of course, choosing a right welder is also important. That's why I will That's why I will recommend this Headbox 6-in-1 welder. It supports MIG, TIG, MMA, and even cut metals. Okay, this machine can suitable for different works, different projects. If you want to learn more about welding, follow me.